If you cannot see incoming calls on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, let me show you what you can do to try to solve this issue. So first of all, we're gonna open settings. Then over here in settings, scroll down a little bit and go to sound and vibration. And then in here you should be able to find do not disturb. You want to make sure that do not disturb is not activated. If it is, then this is probably the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, why nothing shows up if someone calls you. Of course, you might still see some calls displayed, especially if you have contacts added to favorites, then they might be still displayed even if you have DND mode activated. But other than that, of course, you might not see everything. You might not be able to see every call that you receive. So of course, make sure that it is off. You might also want to check if there's like anything that reactivates do not disturb. For example, here we have the schedule. So if DND mode was not activated and you still cannot see incoming calls, then we're gonna go to apps. Now over here in apps, we're gonna tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and we want to go to show all apps. Next, we're gonna use the search field and you can type phone over here. And then we need to find the phone app. You want to force stop the phone app. And then you want to clear data. Choose to clear all data over here and confirm your choice. You can also go to permissions and make sure that these permissions over here are granted. And then we're gonna go to notifications and make sure that everything in here is enabled. And then we should be able to go back and then we can proceed with more apps. So we're gonna go to phone and messaging storage now. And in here you want to clear cache or clear data. So if you have the option to clear all data, you want to do that. If not, then just clear cache. Then you want to go to phone services and you want to do exactly the same thing. Clear cache or clear all data if you have that option. If you choose to clear all data, you also clear cache. So if you have that option to clear all data, then do that. Then we have Xiaomi phone. If possible, clear data. In my case, it is not possible, so I'm just gonna move on. And there is also the Hyper phone, for which we can also clear all data. Alright. Now we're gonna switch the search. We're gonna remove phone and we're gonna type call instead. And there is manage calls. So we're gonna go over here and we want to once again clear all data. Alright. Now once you are done with every app that we went through, then what you can do is you can reopen the phone app, and then after that you can check if you can see incoming calls. The reason why we reopen the phone app is because we force stopped it. You can also restart or reboot your phone just in case, just to ensure that everything starts correctly. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.